I've been crafting all day long, like I told you I would, and I just got back from the Dollar Tree. So I want to show you what I got, and then I'll show you what I made. I picked...
Yes, but I did have a good girl.
Hold on, baby. I'm going to make a video. I got some of this. I'm out of it. Almost upstairs, and I love this stuff so much. So, I'll show you what she got so she can have her stuff. I have no idea what these are. She wanted them.
The superhero card.
She says they're superhero, but that looks like Kevin Hart and Paula Abdul, and I don't think they're superheroes.
Yeah, it was.
So, you open them and tell us what it is. I got her these. I think they're really cute. She likes to wear these little cute little pigtail things, so I think that'd be cute.
At first I thought I was too young for
These
pigtails.
glasses are foggy or gross. I need to clean them.
Dad scissors.
Here. My son picked that out for himself. It is a stylus with a flashlight, he said. Oh, a laser flashlight stylus pin. I got these for more of my candle cakes, and I opened it up to make sure they worked, which they did, because I've bought so many before. Never worked. These are new to me.
What does that freaking say?
Oh, these are... I don't know. They're entertainers of some sort. So... Oh, that's Hulk Hogan's daughter.
Who's Kogan?
Hulk Hogan. These must be older because she has really, really short hair now. So I guess that it tells about what they're about. So here is your new favorite card. This guy right here.
That looks like Grandpa.
Okay, so...
Mom, that looks like Grandpa.
Oh, what else was I saying? I don't even remember. Anyway, I haven't seen these before. Okay, baby. I haven't seen these before, but they're really cute. They had oval ones. Oh, they had oval ones like that too.
Can I tell you what I got them? My ukulele.
Oh yeah, your ukulele. Shred a ukulele. This glitter ribbon. Dandruff shampoo for my son because he uses the crap out of it. I thought these were pretty. Paper straws. They look bronze or rose gold or... I can't tell, but they'd be good for crafting, so I got some of those. I got this for myself. Super cute keychain. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I might take my narwhal off and use that.
No, for me.
This, my son got.
A tapita. Mom, Mommy.
A ukulele, we got that.
For me.
So, I was telling you guys I liked making those flowers, like these right here.
But she actually doesn't.
Since I figured out how to do it. He's in my lighting. Okay, go on, buddy.
It's a cat.
There you go. Okay, so what I was thinking was I got this, and then somehow...
Mom, how many views do you have?
Oh, not that one. These, like, maybe somehow
It's
do
a
it
wreath.
like that.
It's a wreath.
Yes, baby. And then I got this picture
Guys,
frame.
this looks like my grandpa.
I got this picture frame. It's an 11 by 14. It's huge.
They could see that, Mom. 11 by 14.
Well, they couldn't because of my camera. Okay, so anyway, I was thinking take the glass out, take everything, use the frame, ribbon at the top, a bow, and then I could get like really big flowers and then use that as on my door, front door. So I have to, not together. I can make two separate things. They had these. I have never seen these stickers there.
It's so cute. Oh no!
Okay, why does that look like a pentagram, like some demon crap? But okay.
I had no idea.
So, pretty much, oh no. I did like that, and that's really freaky.
No, this is this.
Okay, anyway. I like this one.
No, I like
pretty.
this one.
Okay, hold on, baby. And then I got tissue paper because I needed it. Nothing special, but I did see these bags and I thought they were really pretty.
Yeah, she's gonna give one of them to my birthday.
Look how pretty that one is. Hold on, baby, please. gold.
Why do you have cat treats? I'm gonna get
This one's really pretty too. No, baby, he just had his treats.
Then why do you have them in your...
Because I like to put them in there. And then
Weird.
this one I think is for a wedding, but I don't care. It's so cute.
No, it could be for my birthday.
And then I got one more. It's a big one.
Ruff, ruff.
It's for my nephew.
Wait, who's your nephew?
Because I made him like a tapestry thing for his birthday, so I'm
Owen?
hoping that it fits in there. Yes, babe. Okay, what I made today, I finished my box card. Will you hand me that box card up there? Careful. So I finished that.
Can I open it?
Good job, babe.
No, I want to talk.
I did pop-ups. How cute, huh?
She did that to my friend's birthday. To my half cousin. To my half cousin.
So that's really cute. So I finished that one, and then I made 2 other cards. This one I'm going to give to my niece, and it's a shaker card.
Gracie. Mom, Grace.
So there's that. I made all these little flowers. So I mixed the Moonstruck collection with that new one from,
I bet I'm going to have a better card.
what is it called?
I bet I'm going to have a better card.
Please don't talk like that.
Sorry, I'm just saying.
Michael's. I wish I could think right now. Anyway, so I sewed along that. Put
Then
all
I'll
that
take,
in.
no, I
And
would
then-
take part of your video.
Did that.
But
I think that would be cute for a 9-year-old. So there's that. And
And
then
then-
my favorite one I made, and I haven't made it for anyone in particular, but I just made it because it was so pretty and fun to make.
For me?
Nope, is this shaker card.
I never have a shaker.
And it's a shine and it's a chandelier.
I never had.
Okay, baby, I've made you so many things. Look how pretty that is. I love that with all the detail, and then I popped that up, and I haven't done on anything on the inside yet. Oops, I'm washing, I need to take off. Look how pretty that is. I love that. I put some, what do you call, not stickles, the shimmer pin. I forgot what it's called. These thingies.
That's a shimmer.
Wink of Stella. That's what I meant. So that's what I made today so far. Those are some of my ideas. I love these cards. They're so pretty. They're really fun to make. So detailed.
I want a shaker card just like that.
She wants everything she doesn't have. So say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.